Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably frustrated with Messenger in 2025, where it's refusing to let you send multiple photos at once. Don't worry, it's a common issue, often caused by app glitches, permission problems, or even a simple update needed. In this video, I'll walk you through easy, step-by-step fixes that should get you back to sharing your memories in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your app permissions. Go to your phone's settings, find the Apps section, and select Messenger. Make sure it has access to your storage and photos. If not, enable it. Sometimes, these permissions get reset after an update. Next, ensure your Messenger app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, search for Messenger, and hit Update if there's a new version available. This is crucial because 2025 updates might have fixed some bugs related to media sharing. Now, let's clear the cache to give the app a fresh start. In your phone's settings under Apps, find Messenger, and look for the Storage or Cache option. Tap on Clear Cache, and while you're at it, clear data if you're okay with logging back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Another quick fix is to restart your device. Yes, it's basic, but turning your phone off and on again can work wonders for connectivity issues. Don't forget to check your internet connection. Messenger needs a stable Wi-Fi or data link to send photos, especially multiple ones. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed, or restart your router. If none of that helps, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Messenger, then download it fresh from the App Store. This can eliminate any corrupted files causing the problem. There you have it. Simple steps to fix Messenger's multiple photo sending issue in 2025. Remember, technology can be finicky, so patience is key. If these tips worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.